Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another 2-minute training from your favorite speech therapist. Today we're talking about senior safety. You might think your loved one is safe if you live at home with them. But unless you plan on never leaving their side, accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. So let's take a look at some of these amazing products that can give your loved one the freedom to move around the house or even be in a room by themselves. First is this call to you alert system. It comes with 2 call buttons and 3 receivers to put around your house, and it basically functions like a life alert system. Only when your loved one presses the button, it's you they are sending the signal to and not a company. If you are caring for a loved one at risk for falls, these bed and chair alarms from Lundberg are a must. They work by placing a small sensor pad on the bed or chair, which wirelessly connects to a handheld monitor that you keep close to you. So when the alarm goes off, you know that they are trying to get up and can go and help them. A cheaper and more portable device to the Lundberg alarms is this magnetic alarm system from Sam & Preston. This device works by attaching a clip to your loved one's clothing, and when it's pulled, it triggers the alarm. But this monitor does sit right behind your loved one's chair, which might scare them when it goes off. I tend to prefer the bed and chair alarms, but these are really great in a pinch and easy to take with you. The last product is this identification bracelet from Road ID. This bracelet is super easy to customize with your loved one's name and condition or illness, along with your address and phone number for someone to contact if they need help or if they get lost. These have literally saved lives. You can order any of these products from Amazon, and I'll attach their links in the description down below. I know being a caregiver is hard, but it doesn't have to be impossible. And that's a wrap. See you for the next training.